Hello everyone, this video is for you. It's a daily video that tells you what zone we're in, what basic weekly plan we're working on, and reminds you of your routines. Take a look, you'll see that these three things are here. There may be some other things in there that may or may not relate to the time of year, but that's okay. Enjoy. Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and today is Sunday. It is Renew Your Spirit Day. We have a 2-layer cake. First layer is routines. Today the routines you have are morning routine, after dinner routine, and before bed routine. Super simple. You also have Renew Your Spirit Day. That's it. You are going to take some time this afternoon in the quiet to look at your planner and to do some more planning and readjust your planning. Remember, you planned it originally on Wednesday, so now's the time to really take another look at it and see what it looks like for the rest of next week as far as you can tell, or at least till Wednesday. Maybe you need to adjust some things. All right, so we're going to get up this morning, do our morning routine. We're going to put our children through their routine. We told them last night that today is the day we go to church, if that's what you do. So their clothes are laid out, their heads are in order, they know they're going, you're expecting it, inspect it. Expect it, inspect it. So go get ready for church and then go inspect. Make sure you're doing your 3 clutter checks a day on all these days. Always do 3 clutter checks a day. So before you leave for church, quick clutter check for mindless clutter, and then out the door. When you come back, you're going to feel so good that you did this. Enjoy the rest of your day. Have a nice supper with your family or a nice dinner. After dinner routine involves everybody. Maybe making the meal can be a family fun time. All right, that's it. This is a short video always because I want you to spend the majority of this day renewing your spirit, renewing yourself. Have a wonderful day, and always remember that you are beautiful. I hope you enjoyed that, and I know that you're going to have a great time in your house today. Remember to focus on getting it done first, fast, make it fun, and get it finished. Complete the process, and don't let those little things bug you that you see that are for future dates. Use your planner, and always remember that you are beautiful.